Asian Games, details ng Asian Games, kumusta yung mga nasa gitna ng mga names, also the preparations and other things.
So for the Asian Games, no, it's a welcome development that it comes after the window kasi tuloy-tuloy ang ating preparasyon, no. Obviously, the PBA is a big help. Again, pausing their tournament for at least a month. I believe August 14 is their last playing day. So August 15 onwards hanggang October 4 or 5 na ata sila magre-resume. October 4. So magandang development yan, no, for the Gilas program. And nagpapasalamat tayo sa PBA para dyan. And in terms of lineup, no, alam naman natin pagdating sa multi-sports events, meron tayong tinatawag na long list, short list. So yung long list natin, na-submit na natin yan, about 30 plus ang mga pangalan na na-submit natin. And ang final roster will be 12. Pero syempre ayaw pa natin sabihin kung sino yung final roster na yan kasi hindi pa rin din natin alam kung sino yung roster ng mga kalaban natin, no? Ayaw naman natin pangunahan din sila coach team. Pero dun sa 30 plus na yun, nandun naman yung mga mainstays natin ng Gilas. Plus we were able to add additional names, no, ng mga players na hindi necessarily eligible for FIBA competition as a local. Okay? So looking at the long list, nandiyan yung mga sila Bates, di ba? Sila Bearfield, may mga ganyan tayong pangalan na makikita na hindi natin usually nakikita sa ating mga window.
So women po?
Sa women's side naman, it's the same thing, no? We have submitted already our long list, no, na mga ganyan din karami. Tapos titignan natin how they fare here in the pre-Olympic qualifiers. As we know, we have a newly installed coach, no, for our women's program. So mangangapa pa yan, titignan niya ang performance nila before he finalizes his list for the Asian Games. Ang tricky lang din sa women's side, because as we know, no, as compared sa men's where the players are almost infinite, no, between 3x3 and 5on5, sa women's natin, marami tayong hiraman din ng players kahit na may individual programs and pathways ng 3x3 and 5on5. And as mentioned, the Asian Games 3x3 tournament will be running from the 21st to the 25th. So, pasok na pasok yan kasabay nung tournament ng women's 5on5 which is 17 to the 26. So, walang pwedeng player na umulit or gawin pareho. And mention na rin ni Coach Ryan, Asian Games is under 23. Okay, so we are looking to use the collegiate players in that tournament for the 3x3 tournament, no, sa U23, and we will have to utilize, no, non-collegiate players for the 5on5 tournament also because it's a longer tournament and ayaw natin mag-miss sila masyado ng klase at saka ng game sa UAP, no. Ang usapan din natin sa UAP board is that they will only pause for the 3x3 tournament.
Wala pang draw, no, sa basketball?
Wala pa po.
Okay, thank you. Next, Bob Magalvez.